Kalimutan ko yung... At ito yung akin. Buti naman para hindi... May napili na si P. What you got, hon? Short. I'm here. Finally daw.
Mom, do you want my drink?
What drink? Ay, yung aking laptop.
Holy,
Wait.
just touched.
Dala kami ng kayongga and si Sak binigyan niya na sa akin yung kanyang watermelon. Masarap to. What time is it, Kuya? Sak. Si Sak ang 12:40. Yung golf lesson is 2 o'clock. Ginamit na ni Sak yung ano niya, slippers. Show me that. Paano ka mag-go? Paano ka mag-practice? Are you gonna practice? Da? Naka-chinela siya. Na-excite siya, sinuot niya na. Malapit lang tong ano, Kiyongga sa ano, Harbor Town. Dito na kami agad, oh.
Dad, isn't it up on your head?
What?
No, it's Mum's car.
Yeah. Yung isa kasi yung card nandun sa car ko. Open Sesame. Tama ba? Open Sesame.
And look at that, where he parked.
Yeah, I know. Look. Tingnan mo to. Nakapark siya sa taas ng... Diyan ba?
Unbelievable.
Mr. Bean!
Ang dami pang ano. Meron pa dun, oh, dalawa. Ewan kung ba't siya dun
Dad, do
nagpark.
that one in
Trip
front
niya
of the
siguro.
chair.
Let's go straight, please.
No, I
Guys,
Why?
won't see the button if they're over here.
Alright, go
Well, then
then.
that car's going to bugger us up.
That's right. So just go here.
But then it's too tight.
Okay, go there then.
Oh, go on, then.
Where are you going? Ewan ko sa'yo. So dito na lang kami. Diyan, magpa-practice sila. And si Sak, tsaka si Jan magpa-practice. Si Kuya
Might
Mag.
go
Where are you going?
this way a little bit, so this bloke can...
Mag-change kami ng parking, guys. Kasi
I always
eto,
call people blind.
ang lapit ng ano
No,
niya,
just so he, because there'll be only a single fella there.
pintuan.
Dad, why you always say blow?
Ah, hindi. In-adjust niya lang pala. Kasi nakadikit siya dyan. Oh. Oops.
What are you gonna keep hitting something or what?
Yeah, the
Holly, you
curve.
stay in the car. Wait, can Holly come out? She's got over.
No,
No, not yet, Holly, not yet. You wait.
she's gonna go with Daddy. Kasi si Holly dala niya yung sticks niya.
You wanna wait?
Si Jan, si Sak, and si Holly. Nandun na sila, oh. Ayun na yung stick ni Holly. Dito lang ako sa car. Hoy, careful! Hinahanap ni Holly yung glove. Here, Han. Kasi sabi ni Jan na iwan yung bag niya. Ayan, isusot niya na.
Just put your hand in like that tonight.
Open it, Baba.
Lord, can you do Peter Lord?
Well,
Dad. Oh.
Wow, Baba!
come on, put your fingers in there.
Open it, Baba. Yes, like open it. Naiihi na naman si Sak.
Hey, hurry.
Come here, Baba. Come here.
In between the two cars somewhere.
Siya.
In there.
Here.
Huh?
Okay? Let me see. Baba. Holy girl, let me see. Mahangin. Ayun na si Holly, oh. Feeling niya talaga. Golfer na rin siya, oh. Sak your stick. Mag-music na lang ako dito. Kinongratulate si Kuya ng kanyang coach. Kasi diba yung nanalo si Kuya sa bay. Are you done? Pabalik na si Sak. Obsessed siya sa kanyang tsinelas. Kanina diba suot niya yan. Pinasapato siya ng daddy niya kasi magpa-practice siya mag-golf. Ngayon, minadali niya yata yung pag-hit. And nandito na siya, oh. Mag-change na raw siya. Si Holly. Ayun si Holly, oh. Nag-one-on-one sila ni daddy, oh.
Mom,
Yes?
no, I wear slippers.
Hmm?
No, I wear slippers.
I know you're not allowed. That's
Are
why.
you?
Yeah, because I don't play golf.
Hello?
I'm wearing shoes. Ayan si Holly. Si Kuya mamaya pa yung kanyang lesson. So, nag-hit lang siya doon. Nung oras na ba? 1:25.
Baby.
Yan si Kuya. Yan si Holly. Doink. Ano? You're done? Tapos na siya mag-hit. Okay, sit down there. Wala pa, hindi pa alas 12. Hinintay pa ni Kuya yung kanyang lesson. Anong oras na? Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Wait, baba. Hambak, matamaan natin yung ano. Sabado. Wait. Careful. Ayun, kinuha niyo yung ano niya. Shake niya. Nag-text si Race. Punta sila dito. Pero hindi ko sinabi sa mga bata para ma-surprise sila. Kasi si Holly, miss na miss niya si Tita Race and si Sak nagtatanong kung kailan daw kayo matutulog kila Race. Busy sila Race ngayon kasi 'di ba, ibebenta na nila Race yung bahay nila. So, papunta dito si Race and kausap ko pa rin yung aking sister. Ayan siya. Tapos na rin si Jan and si Kuya mag-start na ng lesson niya maya-maya. Ilang minuto na lang. Anong oras na ba? 1:58, 2 minutes na lang na si Kuya. Mag-golf lesson na siya. Hindi ko rin sinabi kay Jan na pupunta dito sila Dan at saka si Race. Mahangin sa labas. Ayan malakas yung hangin sa labas. Andun na sila Kuya, Si Kuya ang pinakamaliit sa kanila, Ayun si Daddy, si Jan nakaupo dun, Ayun si Kuya, Nag-start na yung lesson niya. 1 hour yung lesson niya.
I'll just clean these windows.
Wala pa si Kuya. Isang oras kasi kaya ayan, inaaliw lang ni Jan. And punta dito, sinabi ko lang kay Jan kasi para safe kasi gusto niyang tawagan yung meron kasi siyang kakilala na taga doon sa amin na nandito rin. Tinanong niya ako kung anong plano ko sa dinner. Sabi ko, wait lang. Sabi niya, tawagan niya na lang daw yung kakilala niya para mag-dinner. Kasi ko, wag. Kaya sinabi ko na napupunta dito sila, yun nga. Nandito sa akin. Hindi ko sinabi sa mga bata na magkikita kami. And kausap ko pa rin yung kapatid ko, guys. Mainit na yung aking phone. Ang lakas ng hangin. Baba! Hindi naman mga kasama ni Kuya. Ang lalaki. Si Kuya pinakamaliit. Ayun si Kuya. Go! Yes! Good job, Ang daddy, ang sayo. Good job! Right, ha? Nice! Pasok ulit ako sa car. Malamig ang hangin. Yung kapatid ko hanggang ngayon, kausap ko pa rin guys. Pina-on ko kay dyan yung car para makapag-charge ako. Ayun, naka-charge na siya dito sa car. Malis na yung katabi namin sa sakyan dito. And ayan, makikita natin si Kuya. Di pa rin tapos kasi 1 oras ang lesson niya. Ayan si Jan, si Zach. Tapos na si Kuya.
Look at your properly.
Get your chair. Step on you.
How did he go, honey?
He done really well.
Good job, Kuya. What surprise?
Oh, you said.
Sabi ni Jan, may surprise daw siya sa mga bata. Pabalik na kami sa hotel and
What did you
Tinext ko
vlog
na.
before?
Caltex time para bumili ng kanyang coffee dito sa Star Mart. Yung hotel namin, nandyan lang, Malapit lang, as in, sobrang lapit. Dito na sila. And si Jan kumuha ulit ng 2 coffee and 2 water. Malalaking tubig. Meron pa nga ako doon.
Some of that TJ's thing.
Uy, si Kuya, mama, ipakita ko sa inyo yung kamay ni Kuya. Show me. Ayun ni
Look what
Kuya.
Holly did.
Ano? Ito na kami sa hotel and naglinis sila. Malinis na yung yung banyo and pinalitan nila yung mga towels. And maya-maya nandito na sila Race. Nakalimutan ko i-charge yung aking iPad. Manunod sana ako ng K-drama mamaya. I-charge ko muna to. Ayan. Okay. So hintayin lang natin sila Race. Check ko yung yung ina-upload ko kanina kasi nalobat na to Nakatulog si Holly sa car and ayan, nilipat ni Jan. Ayun. Oh, what's wrong, Baba? Nakita niya yung nachos. Si Kuya ba, ayan, ayaw niyang ipakita. Yung relo niya, ewan namin kung nagmark. Basta may malaki siyang, ano dyan, parang ringworm, right, Han?
That's not a ringworm.
It's not? So, what's that? Bilog talaga. Ayaw niyang ipakita. Ayaw na siya, oh. Ayaw niyang ipakita. Ganun kalaki. Ganyan, oh. Kaya inalis na muna namin yung kanyang, relo. Yung binigay na relo sa kanya ng family. Kay Sak, okay naman. Come on, Sak. Come here, Sak. Yung relo ni Sak, come here.
Has any of you washed your hands before you started?
Ayan, eto, oh. Ayan. Yeah, Sak did. Ayan, yung ganitong relo ni Kuya. Pero kay Kuya, mayroong ganun talaga. Malaki talaga. Ayaw niya lang ipakita. Linagyan ni Jan ng cream. Si Kuya gusto niya ng mag-change. Yung binili namin kaninang clothes.
That's a bit towel, boy.
Sabi ni Kuya, what's your towel before, Kuya? Pag kasi ang dinadala niya pala hindi.
What was it?
Elmo?
Elmo.
Elmo. Pag nagsiswimming sila sa school.
Oh, you won't rather.
Yeah, put name. Ayan yung kay Sak. Oh, mag-haul na kayo dyan. How about you, Sak? Yung kay Sak, Spider-Man. Before. Yeah, why? Why you hate that one? Kasi hindi raw siya nadadry masyado nun. Eto, kaya tinanong niya kanina kung madadry siya. Yan yung store. JT Surf.
Hey, guys.
It smell what? It's brand new. Yeah, we have to wash that.
That's wrong with this towel.
So may proper na sila pagpunta ng beach. Are you gonna have a shower now? Are you gonna have a shower? Later ka na mag-shower. No, you're not going to swim. Gusto niya mag-swim.
This one.
That one is alright, that one.
Oh,
Is that your son? Ayan yung kay Jan. Tomorrow.
one. Oh.
Tonight. Have a shower now. Are you gonna have a shower? They come now. Hurry up.
How long?
What t-shirt sock?
This one.
No, singlet. I want a singlet.
We don't have a singlet sock.
You didn't bought me one.
Oh, you the one pack your things.
That's yours, Zach.
Oh, that one. Wear that one.
Goes with
Close
the
glove.
That's right. Ayun, susuot niya na yung thongs niya. No, you have to have a shower because you've been playing, Kuya.
Hurry up. Pack up.
Naliligo si Jan. Oy, Sak, don't put that. No. Don't be silly.
That's a big one.
Ano?
That's so big.
What? No, it's not.
Don't put on your head when it gets stuck.
That's right. And you can't breathe. And then.
Okay.
Breathe.
Okay. See? Gusto mo yan, ha?
Breathe. Breathe.
I am.
Breathe. Right.
That's right. That's why you don't do that again.
Yeah, but you're going to run out of air.
That's right. So you don't put plastic.
So let's do it again.
That's right.
One, there you are. Isn't that one?
Ganyan ang mga joke nila. Sakitan. Si Kuya naman. Oh, bakit? Business is ako. Huh? The gel? Yeah, it's in the bathroom. Magji-gel na naman siya, oh. Ano siya? Concerned siya sa buhok niya, eh. Si Kuya naliligo. Ha?
I don't know what size the other ones I've got like this, them grey ones. I think I
What?
brought them.
34.
Yeah, these are 34s.
Okay, yeah, it's alright. Ayan yung binili niya, guys. Binili ko sa kanya. So that's my Valentine's Day gift for you, honey. No, I did. Yung nag-complain siya sa chocolate niya.
Good.
Yun lang daw ang binigay ko sa kanya. Ayun, may tawag na siya. So, hinintay lang namin yung aming hinintay. Hindi nila alam. Si Kuya, ayan si Kuya, bagong ligo. Si Sak, inayos lang yung buhok. Kasi hindi naman daw siya nag-play. Mamaya na lang siya maliligo. And Holly, my love, hi. Nandito na sila, nag-text na sa akin si Reyes. Hinintay ko lang kasi si Jan nasa labas naman. Yan yung mga kids, tingnan niya. Baba, you alright? Hindi nila alam.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry you couldn't use it to get in here.
We tried our best.
I'm looking for
How do you know their names?
That's just what I call all kids. Noah, Billy's the Noah.
Ah, hindi nila alam. Say hi to Tita. Lola, miss.
Mwah.
Sak!
Baka naman dito.
Miss Yard, Good, thank you.
Surprise,
Say hi, that's the surprise. Kasi sabi naman may surprise siya. What's the surprise?
Papa, did you miss me?
Ngayon ko lang na-notice yung tatlo, lahat naka-black.
Heading instruction as it is.
Na, magbubook sila ng dinner. Sa pub. Siya yung nag-organize. Alis na kami dito, okay Ray, sasabay. Doon si Jan.
Wait, bakit na natin?
Wait, ako, okay. Ano doon ka sa front? Uy! Hindi, okay lang dito. Uy, dito talaga siya sa likod. Na-miss namin ang isa't isa eh. Para tuloy driver si Don. Dito kami magdi-dinner guys sa Allendale Hotel. Ayun na si Sako. Where we sitting, Baba? May paganito sila. Oh, nice pub. Oh, ang sarap. May paganyan. Fountain chocolate, guys. Yum. Yung table namin. No? Yeah, you're not allowed. Oh, yeah. Sabi ni Holly, hey, how about me? Linampasan kasi siya. Ganun niya kami si Tito Dan. O, doon siya nakaupo next kay Tito Dan.
Talaga yung pinipili niya.
Ano, coffee talaga? Coffee kay Baba? Miss niya na si Tita Race eh. Ayan o. Surprise kami nandito si Pompal o. Ha?
Hindi mo na ako nakikita.
Ayan, nag-order na ako ng spaghetti marinara. And mayroon sila ngayon dito may salad bar sila ngayon. Kasi very rare dito sa Adelaide na mayroon silang salad bar. Kung doon ka na, tapos ka na. Sige ako na, tapos na ako kung baligaw naman. Ito yung salad bar nila guys. Hindi to common. Nalobat ako. Ayan yung ano nila, salad bar guys. And si Sak, gusto ni Sak ng eto, kumuha siya ng olives. Paborito niyang olives. What do you want? This one? And eto.
Mom, not too much.
Not too much. Sorry. Ayan. Eto yung, ano siya, parang macaroni salad. Tapos, ayan. Hi! Si Holly, nag-broccoli siya. Oh, favorite niya yan eh. Broccoli. Is it good?
Which one?
Spicy? Spicy? Let me try, Kuya. Ayaw ni Kuya mag-share? Nice. It's not spicy, it's good. Ito yung kay Kuya, spaghetti. Wow, pizza. Yeah. And what's this one? Pepperoni pizza? Is it?
Nah, it's
Wow.
I
What,
can't remember what it was called.
what kind of pizza is this?
Thank you.
What?
I can't remember what it was called. Dan, do you know what that was called?
Was that the Barossa one?
Barossa.
Biroso? Biroso. What's Biroso? Biroso pizza daw to.
It's got a bit of sausage, bit of
Okay.
pepperoni.
Silang dalawa, spaghetti.
Even the spaghetti is bad.
Tingnan ko si Holing konti.
Yeah.
Last one though, this is
Holly, come on, Baba. Holly, here.
Hawaiian.
Sa wakas, nandito na yung food. Ang tagal. Kasi parang lahat homemade. Homemade. Restaurant made, diba? Oo, take time talaga sila. Ito yung kay John. What's that, Han? What's that, honey?
Steak.
Yeah, what kind of steak?
But I think for the
squeeze it together, yeah.
It's very thick. Is it well done, Han? Oh, blood, Han.
Very nice.
Mine? Thank you. Ito yung akin, marinara. Kay Jen, yung steak niya may dugo-dugo pa. You want well done? Ha?
Mag-share tayo.
Ano? Share tayo. Okay lang yan. Share tayo. Ano? What? Diamonds! Ikaw talaga.
It's not snow. Sabi ko ng diamonds. I want diamonds.
Ayan na talaga si Tita Ray. Pinabalik ni Jan yung kanyang steak kasi ano, medyo bloody pa. Ito kay Pompai, Hawaiian pizza. And kay Ray, salt pepper steak. Ang sarap ng marinara nila.
How can you do it? Good job. Okay, that's enough. Now you can lick it.
No, shrimp. Yan pala ang surprise niya. May pamarket si Jan kay Holly. Wow, kuya. May chong. Binuli na si Tita Ray. May chocolate din. Binuli ka tulo. Wow, kuya. Very good. Not all, kuya. Ayan na yung food. Pinaulit ni Jan kasi gusto niya diba sa steak well done. Yung dessert ni Jan. What do you call this, son? What's that? Pudding? Dates pudding?
Sticky date pudding.
Sticky dates pudding. With ano? What's that one? The white one, huh? Fairy floss? Ano na sila, oh. Ito yung dessert namin. Ito yung house waffles. Ayun. Gusto sana namin yung may fruit kaso ang lumabas. Ito, mali kami. Tapos na kami kumain guys. May pabanda dito sa hotel na to. Dito sa amin na kainan doon. Naririnig nyo, may pabanda-banda.
It's that girl Layla and Tiffany Houghton.
I try to change the game, I try to change my name. I don't wanna say I don't want to, I don't wanna feel a rush, all I ever does. We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ain't no holding back now, so let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't to the whole week. I wanna get to love him, I wanna get to love him. That I can't to the whole week. I wanna
Ayaw niya umalis. Na, tapos na yung disco ni Holly at Aliyah.
At saka si Aliyah.
All the girls are coming up to her.
I know. No, she was really good. And Aliyah.
Shall see you in 2 weeks time.
Ay, naalis na kayo?
Hindi pa, nagpapaalam lang naman.
Vlog?
Siya sa vlog, joke lang man yan.
Joke daw.
Hindi ako hindi magpaalam lang sa vlog. Pero hindi pa tayo. Guys, sa vlog ko na yan.
Watch. Ito naman, watch out. Binitawan ko.
Kasi, aalis na tayo.
Paano ko na sa vlog ko?
Paalam. Bye.
Magpaalam kayo sa vlog.
Okay na?
Bye sa vlog.
Mayroon yung ano?
Oo, vlog yan.
Vlog yan.
Kunyari lang yan ha. Ang pa-plastic niya naman, oy.
Papa!
Ako. Si Tito Dan, inaano naman ni Sak. I love you. So where are you going? Baka sasama siya sa iyo.
Are you going with me?
Are you going to Tita Ray's? Nah, I thought you're going to Tita Ray's.
Kayo ulit.
Oh. Ay, gusto niya mag-Tito Dan. Oh, she wants to hug. Ay,
It's just a boom.
bubo.
It's just a board.
Si Sak gusto mag-swimming, oh. Hindi na-amaze siya dun sa light na yun, oh. Kasi may pailaw yung pool nila. Dito na kami sa room, guys. So, grabe yung sayawan ni Holly doon. At saka si Aliyah din. So, i-close ko na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Say good night. Say thank you. Night. Night. Thank you, guys.
Mama, you